Good morning, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am covering a couple of items with you. One, a while back I did a Ollie's haul and I was fortunate to come across maybe 4 or 5 Bo Bunny Cottontail page kits. And so if you've purchased a D-stash from me, I included one of the page kits in there. So I had gotten like maybe about 5 of them. I put 2 in the D-stashes and gave 1 to someone and held on to 2 for myself because you just never know when those things are going to come around. As luck would have it, several months ago, I had someone that was in the crafting world that decided she was going to get out of the business, and she had some Bo Bunny Cottontail along with some other things, and I purchased them from her. And so when I started to offer them then, but then I said no, because everybody was in a hurry to get things from Ollie's, and then the whole American craft thing, kind of people just started kind of trying to get as much as they could from that. But it's Easter now, and so out of my stash that I purchased from her, I've taken those and paired them with another Bo Bunny item to try to offer a collection. And so for my viewers, I am going to be offering this for $35. It is inclusive of shipping. I'm going to cover this one and I'm going to cover another one, okay? So let me try to pull all this out of the pack. And when you purchase it, when you get it, should you decide you want it, it's going to come to you in this package. So first of all, here is the Bo Bunny Cottontail kit. It is discontinued. This was distributed back in 2017, but this is discontinued. In this particular pack, you're receiving 18 sheets, 2 sheets of each paper, each sheet, and it's double-sided, along with a sticker sheet. So it'll be this. What I did was, to make it more attractive, I purchased some Willow Sage 12 by 12 chipboard sheets to go along with it. I'm going to be including Willow Sage 12 by 12 acetate sheet. I'm going to be including Willow Sage layered chipboard, Willow Sage brads, and Willow Sage candy dots. Now, the reason I am including Willow Sage items with Cottontail is because this is the collection of Bo Bunny that best pairs with this, okay? And so, as I mentioned to you, there are 18 sheets, double-sided, and 1 sheet of stickers. I'm going to cover it with you really quick, okay? So here's the cover. It's not, it itself is a nice weight, but it's not backed by anything, okay? It's a beautiful collection. And I'm sure many of you have probably come across it. But like I said, because it is, Easter is upon us, I figured, you know what, I might as well go ahead and present this. And if people are interested, they can partake in it. I have limited quantities of this entire pack that I am offering, okay? Just adorable. Okay. It's very nice. Vibrant colors. And I'll be candid with you. I contemplated very long and hard before I decided to do this. But I said, you know what? We all love pretty things. And I know for a fact I could sit here and hold on to these and hold on to these. And I even I'm going to put them on my store as well, on my website. Now, I have an Etsy, but I don't put anything really out there. Okay. And so then it just starts to repeat itself. It starts to repeat itself, okay? And so there's a full another set. But then here is the sticker sheet that goes along with this. It's beautiful. Okay? So is it one sticker? Yeah, it's just, yeah, okay. And so that's the sticker sheet that goes along with it. And so, once again, I am offering this entire collection at $35. That includes shipping. Hold on, put everything back in here. It includes the shipping, okay? And all will be housed in this container for you to be able to store everything. I also have a digital that I created sometime last year. And oddly enough, when I created it, I really had forgotten about Bo Bunny Cottontail, okay? I really did. And so when I created this, let me set this to the side. When I created this, I created it in the hues of a sage green and pink, believe it or not. And so let me show you so you can see what I'm talking about. Well, let me do it like this, okay? So this is how I ended up doing it. But this is a digital that's available on my website. I think it's probably, what, $3, $3.50. It is a high resolution digital that has been saved down as a PDF. And I am going to include the link to it as well. Okay? Regarding the Cottontail collection offering, it is $35, but there's free shipping. And as I have done before, I always include a discount code for my YouTubers so that you can remove the shipping while purchasing. And the price includes it. So it's a pretty decent trade-off, but at the same time, I am offering it to my YouTubers first. At this particular price. And you know what? At this price, bottom line. At this price. The only difference for my YouTubers is you all are receiving the free shipping on it. Okay? And like I said, I create digitals as well. And this is an original created by me. And when I was doing it, I took some other elements from things I've created before and created this cottontail. Well, I called it Peter Cottontail. And like I said, at the time that I did it, it had escaped my mind about the Bo Bunny one because I hadn't seen it in so long anyway. And on top of that, I had forgotten what the name of it was, but I had created it before I even came across that at Ollie's. And to me, this is beautiful. It really is. And so what I did was, I printed this, as you can tell, naturally, I printed this out on my own paper. And you can hear that the weight of the paper, this paper is pretty decent too. And I purposefully did a double-sided print on this because I wanted to be able to show the true hue and saturation of the colors. It's nice. I like this a lot, I really do. Okay. And here's another thing too. I'm also going to throw out there another offering of this. I realize that because so many of us have purchased so much stuff from officesupply.com and American Crafts, some of you may already have a lot of these pieces. And so I'm going to offer the page kit itself by itself as well. The only thing about the page kit is, if in offering the page kit by itself, I'm still going to have to offer it at $20. I feel like since I've got to charge a certain amount, no matter what, based upon the shipping, I wanted to, make it a little more inclusive of some other items to make it more attractive and worth someone's while. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. I am going to have all of this stuff linked in the description if you decide it's something that you want to partake in. If you have any questions, as I've always said, don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you be so kind as to like, share, subscribe, come back and see me again, and most importantly, be kind and good to yourself. I greatly appreciate it. Take care.